Good afternoon, guys. So I'm up, slept till about 2:30. So I've just been hanging out on the couch with my coffee, taking it easy. My husband actually cooked some bacon and made himself like a bacon cheese bagel thing. He doesn't cook often, so I need to take advantage of that. So I've had my coffee and I've just had like 4 pieces of this. I'm not feeling very hungry, so I'm just gonna snack on this. And right now I'm just gonna go upstairs and get ready, and I'm gonna head out for coffee with some friends in the next little while. And I don't know, I'll probably eat something else before I go there, but of course I will show you as I go. Okay, so my husband and I went out to meet some friends for coffee and just had some things to do tonight, but we did a really quick trip to Superstore just to pick up a couple more things. It's Sunday night, so just mostly for lunch stuff. Well, I guess lunch and dinner, but anyways. So as usual, guys, there's going to be the non-keto stuff. Not much of it. This is just, I don't know, crappy cereal that I don't usually buy for my kids, but it was on a really good sale and they really like that, so I bought it. Cat food and bananas, and then I got some sour cream, which I've desperately been needing. I got more of my cold brew. This is really good and probably what I'm going to take with me to work tonight, I'm thinking. Maybe, I don't know. It's pretty cold out. Maybe I'll stop and get a coffee. I don't know yet. Got 2 different kinds of sandwich meat. This is more so for the family, although I do really like the turkey. So I got Black Forest ham, and I got a Dijon style, like a Dijon turkey, so like a mustard turkey. Got a couple peppers, some romaine lettuce. This is a little bit different from what I had this week. This week, the one I had wasn't a slaw. I thought I would try this. This is a kale slaw. So it is 6 grams of carbs, 2 fiber per quarter bag. You know what? It's kale and good stuff, and I'm willing to use up carbs on that kind of thing. I may try to do something, mix these 2 together. I don't know. I've been wanting to do something with like a spicy Italian sausage meat for a while, so I'm gonna maybe look up some recipes, or I don't know, I'm gonna figure out something to make with that. So I got the spicy one and then just the mild. And I thought if I mix that together, it'd probably be really good. And then this was on super cheap, you guys. I don't usually buy these. They're like the giant, I guess it's the thigh and the leg. This whole pack was $11. So I bought it and figured I'll just, I don't know, season it up really well and, I don't know, cook it on the baking sheet or something like that. So, and then I also got these. I'm trying to not drink these as much and make just a bit of a better choice, but my kids also like them. They were on for 10 for 10, so I got 10, and for once I'm going to tell the kids that they can drink them. Usually I'm telling them not to touch, but got those more for the kids for school and work. Then I just wanted to show you this. This is kind of what I've eaten today. I had that little bit of bacon, and then I went to Starbucks and I ate almost this whole bag. These are a good option at Starbucks, guys. So it's 1 gram per 6 to 7 pieces. So I'd say I probably ate about 3 grams of carbs in this. So between this and the bacon, I'm still at very low carbs tonight. It's almost 10 o'clock. So I'm just gonna throw together something to eat because I'm finally actually hungry, and I'll show you what I throw together once I get these groceries put away. Okay guys, so I know this is probably getting boring because this is pretty much all I ate yesterday. But I've heated up my leftover, it was sort of like a taco meat, and then I decided to mix that kale mixture into it yesterday. I just added a little bit of tamari for flavor. It doesn't taste very taco-y, it's more just like ground beef. I don't know, it's just a mixture of that and some veggies, and then I'm gonna add a lot of cheese on top, and then it melts on top of the hot meat, which is really yummy. And as you saw last night when I was at work, I will add cream cheese like I did then, and that made a whole bunch of difference. It was much better with the cream cheese on it than when I didn't have it when I was at home yesterday. So bought some cream cheese, I'm gonna do that. And I'm going to be very liberal with that because I like the cream cheese. And so I'll throw some lettuce on. So guys, like, yeah, kind of the same as yesterday, but this is what I'm going to eat right now, and then I'm going to start getting ready to head off to work. I will probably bring something with me because I haven't eaten much, and when I figure that out, I will let you know. Okay guys, so that was super filling. Dinner was super filling. I don't think I'm gonna bring anything with me to work. I am going to go pick up a coffee with whipped cream on my way because it's really cold outside and I just want something hot. I was gonna do the iced coffee. Sorry, the lights look really terrible. But it's too cold. So I'm on my way out the door. I'm gonna get the coffee. I'm gonna have 2 pieces of this right now on my way out the door. I have my water with me and I'm gonna bring a Zevia cola with me to have at like 4 in the morning when I'm craving something. And I think that's gonna be it, guys. My calories count's gonna be a little low today, but I'm not hungry, and so I'm not gonna force myself to eat when I'm not hungry. If I do get really hungry at work, there is always food there that I can eat. Cheese strings, cheese, I don't know, different things, usually sandwich meat, that kind of stuff. But I'm not thinking I will be. I just haven't been hungry all day today, so I'm just gonna listen to my body and go with it. So anyways, I need to head out the door. Thank you so much for joining me. I know today's video wasn't a whole lot as far as food that I ate, and it was very similar to yesterday. But anyways, that's real life, guys. And yeah, I'm happy that you've joined me today. Please hit the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Welcome to, I think it is day 14 of our January Keto Challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so here's what's going on today. Last night was my last overnight for the week shift, which is my regular full-time job. Came home, slept for like 2.5 hours, and now I'm up and about to go meet a new client. It is a doula client. They have she has a 6-week-old baby and is just in need of some support. So I'm off to do a 4-hour shift helping the family. And I don't know what the heck I'm gonna bring or what I'm gonna eat. So I had my bullet coffee. I just have a tiny little bit left this morning with the MCT powder, a little bit of whipped cream, and stevia. And now I don't even know. I can't figure out what I'm gonna bring. I've got 2 cheeses. And I don't know, guys. I'm really struggling to figure this one out. So I don't know. Once I figure it out, I'll show you what I bring. And then take the dog quickly around the block, and then it's time to go. So come along with me. And it's a gorgeous day outside, so I'm hoping at some point I get to go for a walk out there, and I will show you how beautiful it is out there once we get outside. So here's my fridge. I just don't know. I don't have a lot already prepped. I do have some blackberries that kind of need to be eaten, although they're not very filling. I'm thinking I might just bring some, turkey sandwich meat and cheese, and that'll just have to get me through until I get home, I guess. All right, so here's what I threw together. I just got some of that, it's Dijon turkey meat, deli meat, a couple Laughing Cows, cut up some cheddar cheese, and a few blackberries. So it's not a lot, but this will tie me over. I'll probably just eat it in the truck, and then we'll figure something out for dinner a little later. It is so nice out here. I'm about to go meet my new clients. I ate all my food on the drive here, and I'm feeling pretty good. So I'll see you guys after I'm done for the day here. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get tonight. I just got home from work. The thought of cooking is just like, I can't even think about having to cook. I'm exhausted. So I cut up some veggies. I have some Asiago dip. And I picked up some fried chicken for the family, and they have fries as well, which I'm not going to have. And I'm just going to take this off and eat the chicken. And that will be my dinner for tonight. Okay, so it's almost 9 o'clock. I am laying on my couch watching The Bachelor. And you know what? Part of me didn't want to vlog this tonight, but I did say that I was going to keep it real. So I just ate over half a chocolate bar. What the heck? It's a Lily's chocolate bar, so it's sugar-free, but oh man, this was probably about 10 carbs I just ate worth of chocolate bar. And I haven't logged my food for the day yet, but I'm thinking that probably put me over in carbs. What are you gonna do? I don't know. I'm exhausted. I'm almost delirious, I think. I need to get a good night's sleep tonight. Tomorrow will be a brand new day. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that some days are not the best. And that's okay, because I'll wake up and I'll start again tomorrow. So I will enter my food at some point, probably in the morning before I upload this video. As usual, I will show you. I mean, I don't think it's going to be terrible, but I don't know. That's not usually how I like to eat. So anyways, it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of work lately. Hopefully the next few days I have a little more time to make some better meals and maybe do some recipes. I don't know, maybe do something a little more exciting. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Well, we will end this video with a quick snapshot of my food for the day and macros. So this is Sunday, so the first day shown in this video. Carbs are awesome. I ate about 22 grams of carbs. Once you minus the fiber, I end up at 17 net grams of carbs. I had 5 grams of fiber. So that's really great. Calories were a little low, but that's okay. I ate when I was hungry and I didn't when I wasn't. Protein could be a tiny bit higher and fat could be higher, but all in all, I am happy with that day. So I'm gonna go now, switch it to the next day. So here we go, guys. This day was a little bit of a crap shot. So calories are good, fat is good, protein is high, which is okay. I'm not worried too much about that. The number that I am worried about or not happy with is this number right here. So 52 grams of carbs, which is very high, actually even higher than I thought it would be. I ate a total of, it was 20 grams of fiber. So all in all, my net carbs for the day was around 32 net carbs. So that is pretty high. My protein was very high and my fat was so-so. So, you know what? Not a great day, but that's okay. It wasn't super terrible. I'm not sure if it kicked me out of ketosis or not. Usually I know if it did. I'm not sure. And I don't have any strips left. Not that I think the keto strips are the best way to tell. Usually I can just tell by my body. And honestly, guys, I just don't know. So, you know what? Back at it strong tomorrow. Just get back on top of things as usual. And I have no doubt it will be just fine. So I'll leave you with a little snapshot of the macros for the days. Again, guys, it doesn't show the fiber. So the numbers are a little higher than they should be, but you'll get the idea. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.